To get started, go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will take you to the correct setup page and make sure you're getting the lowest pricing available on your VPS plan. And once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Start by going over to the right-hand side. Here you can choose your VPS plan. By default, this will be set to KVM2, and this is the plan that I recommend for running the Hermes agent. It's going to give you 2 virtual CPU cores, 8 gigs of RAM, 100 gigabytes of NVMe disk space, and 8 terabytes of bandwidth. This will be plenty of resources to get you started. So go down and click on Deploy. From here, start by choosing your billing period. By default, this will be set to 24 months, which is a pretty long-term commitment. You can switch this from 24 months to 12 months and 1-month plans as well. I'd recommend going with the 12-month plan. This will still get you plenty of savings and a free domain for the first year. Scrolling down, you can choose if you want to toggle on daily auto backups, and you can also choose your server location. Hostinger will automatically choose the server location with the best latency for you. So I'll leave this as the default location. Let's scroll up to the top. You can review your order here on the right, and don't forget to use the first link in the video description to get an additional discount here. With that done, go down and click on Continue. From here, go ahead and enter your email address, create a password, and click on the Register button to move on. Then on this screen, fill out your billing address and your payment information, and I'll meet you at the next step. From here, click on Get Started to move on. All right, and once you get to this screen right here, you'll need to enter your API key. For this video, I'll be going with the OpenRouter API key. I'm doing this because it gives you access to over 200 AI models with a single API key. So instead of being locked into one of the other providers, with OpenRouter, you can switch models anytime with one command. This is also the most cost-flexible option, which matters when you have an agent running 24/7. So to get your OpenRouter API key, go to this link right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. Then I'll right-click on it, and I'll go to this link right here. And here, if this is your first time using OpenRouter, you'll need to sign up for an account. So go down and click on Sign Up. Then go ahead and enter your email address and create a password. Check this box right here and click Continue. And here it says that's going to send a verification link to your email address. So go ahead and check the email address listed right here. You'll see an email that looks like this. Scroll down and click on Sign Up to OpenRouter. For this here, I'll click Other and Continue. Then click Create API Key. Click Create. For the name, we'll name this Hermes Agent. And here you can choose a credit limit. If you leave this blank, it's going to be set to unlimited. So if you want a cost guardrail and you're not looking to go over a certain amount, I would go ahead and enter your limit right here. In my case, for my agent, I'll set this to, let's say $50 for now. And then here you can choose when you want to reset your limit. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly. For now, I'm just going to leave this turned off. And at the bottom right here, you can choose when you want this API key to expire. You'll see a few options right here. But again, for this video, I'll just go with no expiration. All right, with that done, go down and click on Create. And right here, you're going to see your API key. Go ahead and click on this copy button right here. And make sure that you don't share this with anybody. I'm only showing you my keys throughout this video because afterwards I plan on deleting everything. Since you've seen my API key here, that means it's now compromised. So be careful with your keys and make sure you don't share them with anybody. So now we have this key copied down, but before we switch back over to Hostinger, we need to make sure that we have our billing set up. If our API key is unable to load in new credits, that means nothing is going to work. So let's close out of this. And then right here, you'll actually see your API key. You'll also see the usage, and then your settings regarding your limit. To get billing set up, go to the left-hand side here, then go down and click on Credits. And then right here, you can add credits, or you can add a payment method to automatically top up your keys. In my case, I'll just click on Add Credits. And then from here, I'm going to fill out my billing address and my payment information. So go ahead and do that and go through the next steps here, and whenever you're done, I'll meet you at the next step. All right, now as you can see here, I've now loaded credits into my account. So that means after we go through the rest of the setup, our agent is actually going to be able to communicate with us and work properly. All right, so now that you've added your credits and set up your API key properly, let's switch back over to Hostinger. All right, so you should still have your API key copied down from earlier. If you do need to copy it again, just go back over to OpenRouter and find your API keys tab on the left. Now let's go ahead and paste in our API key right here. And then at the bottom here, you'll see an option for a Telegram bot token. We'll get this Telegram bot token, that way you can chat with your assistant through the Telegram desktop app, and more importantly, the Telegram mobile app. So that way you'll be able to communicate with your assistant no matter where you are. So in this case, I'll be using the Telegram desktop app. I'll go ahead and open that up on my computer now. And then at the top here, you'll want to search for @botfather. And you'll be looking for this one here with the verified check mark. Go ahead and click on it. Then go down and click Start. Go up and click on New Bot. And then we'll give this bot a name. I'll name this one Medics Hermes Assistant. And send it. And then we need to choose a username for the bot. And this username must end in the word bot. So for example here, Medics Hermes Assistant Bot. Send that. And if that username is available, you'll get this message right here. At the bottom here, we're looking for this token. Go ahead and click on it. And that's going to copy it down. Switch back over to Hostinger and paste in that bot token right here. With that done, go down and click on Deploy. You may get this onboarding survey right here. Go ahead and scroll down and click Skip. And as you can see here, our project is now being deployed. This process can take a few minutes to complete, so I'm going to fast forward to whenever it's done. All right, so now that our project is deployed, this is our VPS dashboard. You'll be able to see all of your server info and all of your different tabs and settings here on the left. But before we jump into the next step, I want to show you something real quick. Right here, you can see your Hermes agent listed as a Docker project. From here, let's click on Manage. And right here, this is going to open up all of the details for our Hermes agent deployment. And then if you scroll down, you'll find your environment variables. Let's click into Environment. And here you can see your OpenRouter API key and your Telegram bot token. And here are the values that we just entered during the setup. If you ever need to regenerate these or update them, you can edit them out right here. And if you need to add in a new environment variable later on, you can click on Environment right here.